All right, Sierra Respiratory folks, we're going to show you a quick video on all the equipment you're going to need to set up the FLOLAN. This is just going to be the equipment setup. We'll do a separate second video on programming the pump once you get the syringe and get everything set up. Okay, so let's start with everything you'll need. You're going to use your Aerogen tube set. This is used for continuous nebulization only. Okay, this will come up with from the pharmacy with the syringe. Okay, the syringe will be pre-wrapped prior to coming up per pharmacy. We spoke with them this morning. They'll have it pre-wrapped in some sort of fashion like this with this amber bag to protect it from sunlight. There'll be a cap here and it'll be pre-loaded for you with the dosage. Okay, so syringe, tubing. Okay, so I'll go ahead and show you. We're going to take the cap off here. We'll use the tubing here, and we put the syringe on, or the tubing on the syringe, pardon me. One thing I want to point out is, we ran into this early on, is you'll have to probably trim some of that tubing off, otherwise it'll get down inside the Aerogen neb and potentially clog it up. Okay, so you'll see here there's been a cut on there to shorten this one up after it came out of the package originally versus this longer version here. Okay, all right, so we'll move over here to the syringe pump, showing you how to attach the syringe pump. Here there's a little clip, you hang it on that, and then it just kind of clicks right in, just like that. Now when you're all done, you want to wash it up and put it away. You just push this gray button here to release, push, and it comes right off. Okay, you just lift it off. Okay, so there you go, syringe pump. And we'll go through how to mount the syringe on the unit itself. So once you have the syringe, the key is to start with the flange here, and that goes underneath this gray clip. Okay, so get this up out of the way. We put this in the gray clip first. The little flange goes underneath, secure that. Second, you'll want to open this by turning it clockwise, and you'll see the little clasp under here will open up, and you slide that down and then let it close, and then it secures the pump itself. Okay, and then lastly here you'll see this little clear device here. You have to pull it out. It's on a plunger type system. You'll pull that out, rotate it clockwise, and now your syringe is locked in place. Okay, then we'll move over here to our Aerogen nebulizer. Let me step back a little bit. You'll have to prime this prior to putting it in the nebulizer. Very important. You'll want to prime the syringe by putting it in, get your air out. There you go, you're primed, your tubing is full. Okay, so we'll secure this again. It's a very important piece. You want to prime the tubing prior to put it in the nebulizer. Okay, so your dosing starts right away. So you'll insert that into the Aerogen, seat that by turning it. Okay, and then finally we'll show you how to put this in continuous mode in order to run the FLOLAN. So hold this down. You'll see that will start with the 30 minutes. As you hold it down, it'll eventually go over to continuous, and you're all set. And then you'll see here, we are running.